Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Hand, foot and mouth disease is on the rise in St. Catherine. That's according to the Public Health Department in the parish. The disease is a contagious illness that primarily affects infants and children under 5, although adults are also susceptible. Symptoms include fever, mouth sores, and rashes on the hands and feet. The disease spreads through direct contact with bodily fluids, fecal matter, and contaminated surfaces. During the latest meeting of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Acting Chief Public Health Officer for the parish, Denise Douglas, said within the last week, there were 30 reported cases.
Several schools have in fact self-reported. They have contacted the health department to indicate that they have cases. We have targeted interventions taking place, particularly in those areas where we are noting the most reports of cases. That would be Linstead and Spanish Town.
Sanitation is paramount to the prevention of the disease. Citizens are encouraged to practice preventative measures such as avoid touching the eyes, nose, and mouth.
We usually stress washing hands as often as possible to clean and disinfect surfaces and to avoid close contact with others. And it's important that children who are unwell remain off school and nursery.